Have you ever listened to Americans talk and heard strange vocabulary? In this series, I'm going to give you some of the most common and interesting words from the USA. I'm John, and today we're going to study American vocabulary. Bummer. Emily and Lucas are friends. They're discussing their weekend plans. Lucas, do you remember that hiking trip we planned for this weekend? Yeah, I've been looking forward to it all week. I'm so excited. Well, I just checked the weather forecast and it looks like it's going to rain all weekend. Sometimes those predictions are wrong. What's the chance of rain? It says 100%. I think we're out of luck. Wow, that's no good. What a bummer. Quiz time. What does bummer mean? A weather forecast? A difficult task? A disappointing situation? Bad weather. Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's C. A disappointing situation. Teaching moment. Bummer is a casual term referring to something that is disappointing or unfortunate. We often say, "That's a bummer." What a bummer. Something is such a bummer. This word comes from the root word bum, which means a person who doesn't want to work or is lazy. We can also use bum as a verb, to bum around, or to be lazy for the day. If we think of the concept of having little energy, we can make the abstract connection with the word bummer. I made a video of the vocabulary word beach bum, which is related. If you want to learn more, I left the link in the description for you. Examples. It's such a bummer that the concert got canceled. I want to take a selfie, but my battery died. What a bummer. You lost your keys and you can't get into your apartment? That's a bummer, dude. The restaurant ran out of their signature dish, and it was a bummer for the customers. English extras. This is extra information from the video. Rewatch the video to learn more. Looking forward to. Expecting something with excitement. Weather forecast. Weather prediction. What's the chance? What's the probability? That's no good. That's a shame. Thanks for watching. If you have a question or you learned something useful, use the super thanks. You can support free English content. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next lesson.